Okay, guys, so we're going to get into the next set of theorems in order to solve for missing sides in a triangle. We looked at angle, side, angle, 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 side, and side, side, angle. And now we're going to be looking at the law of cosines, where we're going to be looking at side, angle, side, or side, side, side. So that's going to be what we are looking at. So let me write that out. So law of cosines goes with side, 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 or side, angle, side. So you would have, say, these three pieces, okay, or all three sides. So this law of cosines correlates with these formulas. Once again, if you noticed, they all have similarities. Side A squared equals all of those pieces and then cosine of angle A, where B squared equals all those pieces and cosine angle B, and then C and C. So whatever you're taking the cosine angle of is what the opposite, like the missing side, you're going to be solving for, okay? So obviously we're going to go ahead and do some problems with that, but make sure to have all three of these down. I, once again, tend to use this one when I'm just writing things out because it kind of just goes in alphabetical order of A, B, and C. So make sure to have this down and be ready for the examples coming up on the next slides.